Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding applications on our home and application screens in Samsung Galaxy S22. This is our home screen, this is our app screen, and some of our applications are hidden, either by mistake or prank or whatever. Some of our applications are hidden. They are on the phone, but we can't see them. How to check which one are hidden and how to bring them back. Settings, home screen, hide apps on home and apps screens. And what apps are hidden? Someone has hidden our phone. And done. And our phone is back. We can make calls again. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.